Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. There's a few transactions to put in, so we'll get to that. Let's see if this has a split. It doesn't, so I guess it was all groceries. Scroll down. Milk is groceries. Restaurant. Sonic Drinks and Snacks is fun. Jerry's is restaurant. House cleaning. Okay, so this was my personal. I need to put that as a fund because I have Christmas money and stuff. So this was also fun. So I also need to do that as a fund because there was like 90 bucks left over from last month. Fuel, pets, and my husband got dog food. I know what it's been being. It's probably the same. I'll add it in and see. If not, I'll change it later. But let's see, he got it Friday on the way home. Okay, so dog food. Track expense. An extra truck payment. Restaurant. Let's see, Target Boat Show. This was fun. Okay, so let's dig into this one. Original balance was 90. And I don't even know what I started with. I think like $400 ish, 450 for 40. I don't know. And Amazon, I paid for Amazon with 100 of that. Target, I did that as household because it was containers and contact paper. Okay, so water has been paid. It's paid on, I don't know, somewhere around the 10th. I paid this. Monday. I need to call in his prescriptions. He needs to pick them up today. I think everything looks pretty good. There's probably something I'm missing. I did notice a while ago. Interest. Let's see. I don't know why I didn't already put it as received because it was in the beginning. So track that. And then also in the other checking account it was 505 on the 11th. So 1095. It's freaking awesome. Mom gave me $100 yesterday because is that on a family? No. She's on my YouTube TV account. So, so this has been set right. I guess I don't have to. I did get lunch the other day. Was $17 on Tuesday. It knows me. Okay, so my payment probably won't show taken out until tomorrow, but it's due today. And truck's not due for another week. Yeah, that's correct. For now, because this doesn't like include the interest or whatever, so it's not that full amount that you pay, but it acts like it is. But anyway, I think everything looks good for now. We should be good for the rest of the month. I don't think I'll have to buy like kitty litter or anything. I think we're gonna be good enough. So we spent $135.87. We haven't. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't think we're gonna do the full 1,000. We may do 500, but I don't know. I suggested doing like 300, but even still, we'll see. And see, right now this isn't quite correct, but if we didn't do the 1,000 to that, then we could put 500 here and make it like it's right, I guess. But even still, it would take money because it's not really already there. At Christmas, we can edit that out. At least I thought we could. Do we have to go back to December for that? Because it shouldn't let me do it for December. See, this is still weird. I thought it changed it, but it didn't. It should say 50368 remaining is what it should say. I don't know how whatever went wrong. I don't know, like I said, it looks right here. It's fine. So I guess it's okay. Oh yeah, Christmas. That's what I was gonna look at. Because I don't know why Christmas is weird or why I can't change it here. I don't know how it gets that. Anyway, I think I've got most everything for now. Nothing is popping into my head like I missed it. I'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. See, that was the first thing we did. The next day, Texas Roadhouse. Saturday. Oh, we also did Casa Soto for supper on Friday, and I did $40. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!